To reset your Xfinity remote is that if you have this kind of remote, so you will just need to press the I button, which you can see right in your screen. Press and hold the I button, it's on the right side of the remote, and below that is also press and hold the home button. You see it below of the I button. After doing both is that you need to hold for 5 seconds both of the buttons, which is the I and the home button. Press it for about 5 seconds. Now you will see, after releasing the buttons, you will see green LED light from your remote. The status is near the top of the remote, which you can see directly. After that is you need to press the power button. It's on the top right corner of your remote. Then lastly, press the last button. Looks like an arrow pointing backward that is left to the remote. Now is to press the volume button down. You see it in the volume section. After the process is that you have successfully reset your remote.